Hello and welcome to Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton. Today we're taking a look at a 2025 Cadillac OPTIQ Luxury featured in coastal blue metallic with a noir interior. Under the hood sits an electric motor paired to an electric drive unit. Some features include heated front seats, heated steering wheel, super cruise, a power liftgate, backup camera, forward collision alert, and much more. Taking a look at the interior, here's our door. We have heated front seats, memory seating, as well as power seating, lumbar as well as massaging. Just below that, power windows and mirrors with our main AKG speaker, and below that some added storage. Taking a look at the seats here, and hopping inside, just to the left we have the power park brake and power liftgate. Taking a look at the steering wheel, on the left side is our cruise control, or super cruise, as you can see along the top, with the heated steering wheel and forward collision alert. And to the right we have our cluster as well as audio controls. Here is the cluster. And checking out the infotainment screen here, starting off with the audio. Comes equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, and we can connect a phone using Bluetooth. You can also take a quick look at the navigation and map here. Throwing it in reverse, here's the backup camera and surround vision. Just below that we have our climate controls, and below that there are two USBs with some storage. In the middle here we have our our infotainment screen controls, two cup holders, and the center console. Popping that open, storage up here as well as down below with our wireless charging pad. Top is the digital rear view mirror. Just above that, OnStar and SOS with two dome lights and the power sunshade controls. Here is the glass roof, and here's the other side of the vehicle. Moving on to the exterior, here are the wheels. Black mirror caps, color matched door handles with keyless entry, privacy tint on the rear windows. Making our way to the back here, we have the monochromatic Cadillac badging with the OPTIQ to the left, and we can double click to pop it open. There's a ton of storage space back here, lights on either side for added visibility. You can drop these rear seats down, making a ton of extra storage space. Not to mention we also have some hidden storage down below. It's a very spacious rear. Now checking out the rear interior, here's our door. We have AKG speakers, powered window, storage down below. There's a 60-40 seat split, and we can hop inside. The back of each seat we have magazine holders. In the middle are rear vents, and the two USBs with a 12-volt down at the bottom. Up at the top we have handles paired with the dome light, AKG speakers matched on either side. And in the middle here, we can drop this down to reveal an armrest with two cup holders. We get a great view of the glass roof. And here's a view from the back. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick review of the 2025 Cadillac OPTIQ Luxury. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and we hope to see you here at Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton very soon.